Hello everyone, this is Boxbreak number 20 of Boxbreak.com. Thanks for the fast payment of all. The break this time is one box of Panini 2013-14 Rookie Anthology. We have 10 pack of 5 cards. Right, here's the last auction. The last auction was Detroit. Ended November 30 at 6:29. Alright, now to certify the video, official eBay time. We're now Monday, November 30. 4 Pacific time, 5 Mountain. Alright, to certify this video, eBay time again. So, you can see it's 7 o'clock Eastern time. I can refresh it right now. Alright, it's now 7:03 Eastern time and 4:03 Pacific time, Monday, November 30. Alright, so the real fun. We have 10 packs of 5 cards. Alright, here we go. Serial number first. It was a little bit, but we can see it. NE right, NE190805013. Can clearly see it. Yeah, right. Here we go. No time to lose. Right. Empty box. Let's see serial number closer now. Alright. Maybe there we go. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 10 packs. Good luck, everyone. That's a base card. Put the light. There we go. Sorry. Rust is there. Okay, go. Base. That's a score. That's a hit. That's for Dallas. Shonukov. And now for Minnesota Wild, Matt Dumba. Nice patch over here. Number 02 on 50. There we go. Nice hit for the Wild. Number 2 on 50. Base card. Base. That's a hot rookie for Vancouver, Frank Corrado. That's a score. Yeah, that's a hit. And now for the Caps, we got something of Michael Grabowski. Here we go. Number 124 on $1.99. Nice patch. Looks very sweet. A rookie for the Pens. That's clearly a hit. Our rookie card are hit. Yeah. Brian Gibbons. Congratulations. Base card. Here we go, next pack. Base. Hot rookie for the Islanders, Anderson. That's a score it. And we see it for the Blackhawks over here. Number 43 on 99. Antti Ranta autograph. That's select. Nice hit. First auto today. Base card. All right. That's a rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. Sami Etukalio. Oh my god. And for Montreal now, we got Patrick Allen. That's a rookie, Patrick Allen. Base card. Here we go. This is number 5. Base. Yeah, it for the Penguins. You see again. And we see behind John Gibbons, number 99 on 91, sorry, on 99. John Gibbons, auto. Nice hit for the Ducks. Base card. Alright, 5 packs to go. We got here a number rookie Anthology card for Buffalo Sabres, number 4 on 100, Drew Stafford. Michael Grabowski. That's a select card. Yeah, that's a hit. And we got another hit here. That's a Prism base card, but that's it in this box. Louis Eriksson. Base card. Here we go. Base. Hit for the Leaf. Mason Raymond. Yeah, and we got a hit for the Bruins. That's an auto rookie of that is silent Carl Soderberg, sorry. Really nice hit for the Bruins here. The big bad Bruins, number 35 on 50. Congratulations, Boston. Highlanders. 3 pack to go. That's hot rookie of Johan Gustafsson for the Wild. Got a hit rookie here for San Jose. Ace. That's not numbered. Right. That rookie for Edmonton, Tyler Pitlick. Now for the Tampa Bay Lightning, got a hot rookie of Jonathan Marchessault. Autograph. That's that number. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. Blank. And now the last pack. We're gonna make a quick recap at the end. Alright, base card. Base. We got a gold score of Jonathan Bernier. Not numbered. Behind this we got Clark MacArthur for the Ottawa Senators, and the last card is a base card. Alright, so quick look to the base card to be sure. Here we go. Don't see any number. Alright, all base cards are clear, and now for you guys, the hits. Here we go. We got here a little bit too more. Here we go. Clark MacArthur, Jonathan Bernier, Jonathan Marchessault, Tyler Pitlick, Area Hayes, the big hits of the box, Carl Soderberg rookie patch auto, number 50, number 2. Don't we have any patch or number? I will pass quickly. Number 4 on 100 for Sabres. Now we got O2 for the Ducks of John Gibbons. Rookie from Montreal, Patrick Holland. Another auto air for the Blackhawks, Antiranda. Not rookie for the Islanders and Disney. For the Bands, Brand Jones. Here for the Capitals, Michael Grabowski. Oops, sorry. first patch of the break and the last of the recap for the Wild. Madumba. Number 2 on 50 again. Wow, 2 in this box, and the last one is for Dallas. Alright, so that was box break number 20. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and visit my website if you want. Clearly, support us on hockeyboxbreak.com for more info on the next break and some giveaway. Alright, goodbye.